So in question 14, we are given this circuit and we need to determine the reading on the ammeter. So here we will have to use Kirchhoff's loop rules. So we will say, let's say this is going to be loop 1, this will be loop 2. So let's define a current here of I1 and let's define a current here of I2. So we need to write up the loops for both of these in terms of the potential. So for 1 is going to be, if we go in order like this, it will be, we will gain a potential of 6 volts with the battery, then we lose 6 volts on this battery, and then we will again lose a I1 times this 1 ohm resistance, and this will have to be 0. So we see that I1 is equal to 0. And from the second loop, what we can see is, well, if we again follow the direction of the current, then we will gain 6 volts on the battery, and we will lose again 1 times I2 on the resistor. So we see that I2 is equal to 6 amps. And then if we consider the junction rule, so if we consider this junction, for example, the total current going into the junction and the total coming out of the junction must be equal. So the total current that is going out is equal to this 6, and so the total current that's going in must also be 6. And here we have total current of 0 going in, so the current here must be 6 amps. So the ammeter's reading will be 6 amps. So the answer is